My toilet has never been this clean and shiny before. You could almost eat off it. And it's all thanks to lemons. They contain essential oils with antibacterial and degreasing properties. They act as a natural cleaner and smell amazing. Put a handful of lemon peels into a blender. I used 6 halves. Add 400 milliliters of water. Baking soda is also an important part of this mixture. It helps dissolve limescale and whiten tough stains. Add 2 tablespoons to the blender. Finally, squeeze in a tablespoon of regular toothpaste. Ideally, the classic white kind. It freshens and enhances the overall cleaning effect of the mixture. Blend everything for about 2 minutes. It should all combine well into a smooth mixture. Strain everything through a sieve to separate the liquid from the leftover bits. Pour the mixture into an empty plastic bottle and screw the cap on. Make a small hole in the cap. This is very important because it turns the bottle into a convenient dispenser. Before using the citrus mixture, sprinkle baking soda inside the toilet. Pour the prepared liquid over every dirty surface. Then scrub with a toilet brush. Your toilet will be sparkling and fresh like never before. You have to try this method.